This is a 1-bedroom design. You walk in directly into your kitchen, and to your left here, you actually have your utility closet here, but then these double doors are your full-size washer and dryer. You have extra storage above as well. They are front load. And then skip over to your coat closet here too. All right, and then you are in your kitchen. So you've got a great island here, and it does allow for bar stools to be tucked in so that your walkway is free. Then you have all of these cabinets. So much storage in here. And you have extra storage in your island as well, and that is where your microwave will go. And this open concept design opens right up to your living space. Expansive windows. We'll take a look at your balcony. We've got a beautiful snowy day today, so we get to check that out. So a really large balcony too. Check it out. We'll head back inside. You can see it from this angle as well. And then let's go check out, we'll go to the bedroom first. It's here on the left. You have a great ceiling fan in here, wood floor. And the cool thing about this particular apartment, I'll check this out from this angle too, you actually have a pocket door that leads directly into your bathroom. So you can actually enter it from the hallway, or you can enter it from your bedroom, whichever you prefer. So like I said, this just frees up a little space in your bedroom so you don't have a door swinging out. But then you have your bathroom. So you have extra cabinets for storage, and you have the double sinks. And this is tile. And in here you have a glass shower, and it has tile all the way to the ceiling. You have your beautiful black hardware in here. And then if we walk this way, you do have a linen closet in your bathroom. And then your custom California closet. So again, huge space. Walk-in closet, and you can arrange your shelving any way you'd like. Check out the bathroom from this angle too. And then let's go see that kitchen one more time.